Hi guys, welcome to DeWet Classroom. In this video we are working from the C1 Core Maths textbook by Pearson, and we're working through Chapter 1, Exercise 1B, Question 3, letters C and D, dividing a polynomial by an expression x plus 3. So first of all we check that the indices goes 4, 3, 2, 1 and then the imaginary 0, just to make sure that we don't need to add anything. So this is already right for us to just start dividing. So we're going to rewrite it in the correct format so that we can actually just apply our long division rules for it. Minus 14x minus 15 divided by x plus 3. Okay. We're going to start with our first term, 4x to the power of 4 divided by x will just be 4x cubed. 4x cubed times x will give us 4x to the power of 4, and 4x cubed times 3 will give us 12x cubed. Okay, now we need to subtract, but in order to subtract this whole thing, it means that the signs are going to change. So 4x to the power of 4 minus 4x to the power of 4 is 0. 14x cubed minus 12x cubed will give you 2x cubed. Then we bring down the plus 3x squared and we start the process all over again. 2x cubed divided by x is 2x squared. 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. 2x squared times 3 is plus 6x squared. Then we need to subtract, so we change the signs. Minus 2x cubed, 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0. 3x squared minus 6x squared is minus 3x squared. We bring down our second term is minus 14x, and we start the process again. Minus 3x squared divided by x is minus 3x. Minus 3x times x is minus 3x squared. Minus 3x times 3 is minus 9x. We need to subtract, so we're going to change the signs. Minus 3x squared plus 3x squared is 0. Minus 14x plus 9x is minus 5x. Minus 14 plus 9 is minus 5x. And then we bring down the minus 15. Start the process again. Minus 5x divided by x will give us minus 5. Minus 5 times x is minus 5x. Minus 5 times 3 is minus 15. We want to subtract, so we change the signs. And minus 5x plus 5x is 0. Minus 15 plus 15 is also 0. So we can confidently say that x plus 3 is in fact a factor of this polynomial because the remainder is 0, and we call our answer here at the top the quotients. And when we multiply the quotients and the factor with one another, we should get back to our original polynomial. Okay, number D. We exactly check the same thing, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, so we don't need to change or add anything. We can just start dividing. So 3x to the power of 4 minus 7x to the power of 3 minus 23x squared plus 14x minus 8 divided by x minus 4. Okay, we start with our first term. 3x to the power of 4 divided by x is 3x to the power of 3. 3x cubed times x is 3x to the power of 4. 3x cubed times 4 is negative 12x to the power of 3. We are going to subtract them from one another, but first of all we need to change the signs. So 3x to the power of 4 minus 3x to the power of 4 is 0. Minus 7x cubed plus 12x cubed will give us 5x cubed. Then we bring down our minus 23x squared. And we start the process again. 5x cubed divided by x is 5x squared. 5x squared times x is 5x cubed. 5x squared times 4 is negative 20x squared. We need to subtract them, so we change the signs. 5x cubed minus 5x cubed is 0. Minus 23x squared plus 20x squared is minus 3x squared. And we bring down 14x. Start the process again. Minus 3x squared divided by x is minus 3x. Minus 3x times x, minus 3x squared. Minus 3x times 4 times negative 4 is plus 12x. We want to subtract them from one another, so we're going to change the signs. Minus 3x squared plus 3x squared is 0. Plus 14x minus 12x is 2x. And don't forget about the negative 8. 2x divided by x is 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. We subtract them from one another, change the signs, and we are left with 2x minus 2x is 0, minus 8 plus 8 is also 0. And because the remainder is 0, we know that x minus 4 is indeed a factor of this polynomial. And our answer, 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3x plus 2, is also called the quotient. And that concludes exercise 1b, question 3, C and D.